Imagine this. You walk into a luxury showroom. The lights are bright. The floor is so polished it's like a mirror. And sitting right in front of you is something that looks like it just rolled out of a sci-fi movie. That's the brand new 2026 Mercedes-Benz luxury motorhome. And trust me, this thing is going to turn heads everywhere it goes. At first glance, you can't help but notice the massive Mercedes emblem sitting proudly on the front. It's aggressive, it's bold, and it screams luxury from the very first second. The body is sleek and aerodynamic, almost spaceship-like, with its giant tinted windshield sloping back like a cockpit. And the headlights? Straight out of a hypercar, sharp LED blades that make this motorhome look more like a futuristic concept car than a family RV. The pearl white paint, highlighted with subtle golden beige lines, adds that premium Mercedes touch, understated but impossible to ignore. But here's the thing. This motorhome isn't just about looks. Mercedes has packed it with brains too. Under the hood, you get a next-generation hybrid powertrain combining efficient electric motors with a powerful combustion engine. What that means for you is smooth city cruising when you're running electric, and the confidence to hit long highways or even mountain passes when the engine kicks in. And get this, it's built with off-road features too. Adaptive air suspension, grippy low-profile tires, and driving modes that let you handle dirt trails or steep climbs with the same ease you'd expect from a high-end SUV. Basically, it's a luxury apartment that can go places most other motorhomes wouldn't even dare. Step inside, and it just gets better. The interior feels like Mercedes took cues straight from their S-Class and Maybach divisions. You've got plush leather seating with golden beige stitching, an ultra-modern digital cockpit up front with curved display screens, and ambient lighting that wraps around the cabin in soft glows of blue and gold. Even though space is limited, everything feels perfectly designed. Foldable beds that disappear when you don't need them, a compact but luxurious kitchenette with marble finishes, and a cozy lounge where you can kick back and watch the sunset through those huge tinted windows. It's space efficient, but it never feels cramped. The bathroom? Yes, there is one, and it looks more like a mini spa than something squeezed into a vehicle. Think glass shower panels, chrome fittings, LED lighting, the kind of detail you'd expect in a five-star hotel. This is what separates Mercedes from the competition. They didn't just make a motorhome, they made a rolling luxury suite. Now, let's talk numbers, because I know you're wondering. The starting price is rumored to hover around the $1.5 to $2 million mark, depending on the configuration. Yeah, that's supercar money. But remember, you're not just buying a vehicle. You're buying a lifestyle, a statement, and something very few people in the world will ever own. And honestly, compared to other exotic motorhomes we've seen, like those by Volkner or Marchi Mobile, this Mercedes feels sleeker, more futuristic, and way more in tune with what today's luxury buyers are looking for. Here's the fun part. When you park this at a campsite, it's not just another RV. This is the kind of machine where people gather around, take photos, and wonder what celebrity just pulled in. And the fact that Mercedes has managed to blend futuristic looks, hybrid technology, and true off-road capability in one package is what makes it special. It's not a motorhome that forces you to compromise. It's a motorhome that lets you live big, no matter where the road takes you. So, what do you think? Would you drop nearly $2 million on the 2026 Mercedes motorhome? Or would you stick with something a little more traditional? Personally, I think this is one of the most exciting vehicles we've seen in years. It's bold, it's futuristic, and it feels like the ultimate mansion on wheels. If you enjoyed this first look at the new Mercedes Motorhome, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment on what feature impressed you the most, and, of course, subscribe for more insane luxury vehicle reviews. Because trust me, this is only the beginning. The world of motorhomes is about to get a lot crazier.